Hi boys and girls, I'm back again, and this time we're going to do a math activity that kind of goes along with this story that we just finished reading, SkippyJon Jones. What we're going to do is we're going to practice counting, adding and subtracting using tens and ones. Now at school, you probably use these to count with your tens and your ones. You use the ones units, and you probably use the tens rods. And remember, we said we call this 10 because there's 10 of these that make up one of these. So instead of counting every single time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we say that's 10. But at home, I'm guessing you probably don't have these. So that's why we're going to use something different. SkippyJon Jones was hunting a bombolito that was full of beans. So that's what we're going to use for our ones units. We're going to use beans. You can get these at any store. They're a giant bag of them. You can use them for anything that we do with math, just for counting and making groups and also making tens and ones. And then for our tens rods, well, something easy we can do is use spaghetti. You can buy this at Publix or Walmart or any other place. And because these are so long, it helps to kind of put them down like this and then just snap them in half, and voila, you have tens rods. So let's get busy and make some numbers. I'm going to tilt the screen down so you won't see me, but you'll be able to see the numbers that we're going to build. I'm going to pull this back a little bit. Okay, first we're going to make the numbers that are up here. I see this number. It is number what? 19. That's right. Now, I could build 19 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's it. But there's a faster way, right? What if I use some of my tens rods? How many beans can I trade for one of my tens rods? Well, the same number that you trade of your ones units, for one of your tens rods. 10 of these equals one of these. So in ours, same thing. 10 beans are going to equal one of these 10 sticks that we've made with spaghetti. So let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to trade this for one of my tens rods, spaghetti noodles, and I should have about 9 left over here. So 19 is 1 10 and 9 ones, or 1 10 and 9 left over. How about 24? Let's see. If one of these is 10, how many do I need to make 20? You're right, 2 of these. 10, 20. Now I need 24, which means I need some of my beans. 21, 22, 23, 24. Remember, we practiced doing this in our group where we count by tens, then we clap before we count by our ones so that we tell our brain to stop and start counting by ones. 10, 20, clap. 21, 22, 23, 24. Well, what if I want to build 40? How many tens rods do I need? 10, 20, 30, 40. Ooh, how many rods do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I need any beans? No, I don't, because this 0 means I have 0 ones. I have 0 left over. Let's go and do some adding. First, let's build 15. Now you can go ahead and you can pause this video and you can build it on your own, and then you can check with me. You ready? I'm going to build it real fast, see if you can do what I do. Check after you've done it yourself. Don't peek ahead. Okay. I built 15 and 5. Let's count it. 10, clap. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey, you know something? I just realized that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So what can I trade this for? You're right. I can trade it for a noodle. This is one of my tens rods. That's right. Altogether, I have 20. Okay, this says 26 plus 10. Let's try it. Build 26. Go ahead and do it with your noodles and your beans. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 10 more. How much do I have altogether? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, clap. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Did you notice that I counted all of my tens first? Then I counted my ones? It makes it a lot easier. Ooh, look at this one. 60 plus 20. 60 plus 20. I don't see any ones here. So I'm guessing we only have to use our noodles. So let's do it. Make 60. If you don't have noodles yet at home, then pause the video. Or you can go ahead and draw it out with a dry erase board or even a marker. Let's try it on this one. If you don't have your marker, if you don't have beans and spaghetti to work with, you can always draw it out even on a marker on a regular piece of paper. 60, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 20 more. That's 10, 20. How much do we have all together, boys and girls? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. You're right. All together we have 80. So let's go ahead and write our answers in. 80. We said this was 36, and we said this was 20. Very good. So now let's try some subtraction. We've got 18 minus 5. First, we're going to build our 18. 18, that's 110 and 8 ones. 110, 8 ones. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, minus 5. Now, do I need to put 5 more on here? No, I don't, because it says minus 5. That means I'm not going to add any more here. I'm going to take away. This means bye-bye. So let's see what happens. Minus 5. Let's take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13. You're right. There is 13 left. Let's go ahead and do this one. This one says 38 minus 10. 38, let's make that. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, clap. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Now it says take away 10. Take away 10. So am I going to put another 10 here? No, I don't need to do that. I'm taking away 10. Well, which one do I take away? Does that mean I take away a bean? Or does it mean I take away one of my spaghetti that's like my tens rods? If you answer spaghetti, you're right, because this is worth 10 in our new materials we're using. So I'm going to take away one of these 10s and then see what's left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. If you got 28, you are correct. Let's look at 50 minus 20. 50 minus 20. Sometimes it helps to circle which we're doing, adding or subtracting, because it's easy to make a mistake. Okay, so it says 50. So I'm going to see if I can make 50 the fast way using my tens rods, which are my spaghetti for now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, again, we're taking away 20, so I don't need to put 20 over here. I just need to take 20 away from this. Don't get confused. A lot of boys and girls put extra stuff over here and then they add it together. When you're subtracting, it means take away, gone. Think you ate it. Don't really eat this though. Take away 20. Let's see. That's 10, 20. Bye-bye. Ooh, how many do we have left? Let's see. 10, 20, 30. That's 3 tens. 3 tens equals 30. All right, boys and girls, this is a real quick. You can make up your own problems. You can make and challenge your brothers and sisters or your moms and dads, see if they can solve problems for you. Okay, but you can use things just that you have around the house. You don't have to use fancy stuff that we have at school. You don't have to have this. You can use your beans. You can use your spaghetti noodles. Super easy, very cheap. Happy learning, boys and girls. We'll be back with more videos soon.